Why SQL Alchemy is useful in Flask application? SQL Alchemy is useful in Flask applications because it provides an ORM or object relational mapper. It allows developers to interact with database using Python objects instead of raw SQL. It simplifies database management, support multiple database engines, and includes features like connection pooling, query building, and migrations with Flask Migrate. This enhances code maintainability, security, and efficiency.
And installing Flask, make it sure that you already have the Python installed in your laptop or PC. I already have one, so I will show you na lang if how would you check if you are already installed the Python. So I will just type pip freeze. So here, as you can see, I already have a Python. So let's proceed to installing the Flask. So installing Flask, just type pip freeze. I pip install Flask. And here, as you can see, I already installed the Flask, and after that we can also check if it's already successfully installed. So just type again the piperies to check. So here, as you can see, I have my Flask version 3.0.2. So after that, let's proceed to installing the Flask SQL Alchemy. So here also in command prompt, just type pip install Flask dash SQL Alchemy. So as you can see, it's already downloading in my command prompt or in my laptop itself. And yeah, so here we go. I already installed the SQL Alchemy. So let's check if it was already successfully installed in my device. There you go. SQL Alchemy 2.0.38.